Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, we'll focus on essential communication tool, email templates. These features allow you to send predefined messages to clients directly from the system while taking follow-ups instead of typing out each message manually. You can set up ready-to-use templates for both WhatsApp and email, making your communication faster and more professional. So, let's start with how to create an email template. First, go to the Email Templates section in the main menu. Click on the Add Template button at the top right corner. You'll now land on a page that looks like this. On this page, you will see two sections: Create Email Template and Sample Email Templates. From the Create section, you can design and save your own custom email templates. In the Sample Template section, you will find ready-made templates that you can view, edit, and use directly. You can also click Load More to explore a wider variety of pre-designed templates available for different use cases. Let's start by understanding how to create your own email template. The first step is to select a template category. By default, you will see two options. Lead Email Template. This is used for sending emails to leads, such as when you are adding a new lead or following up with an existing one. Task Email Template. This is used for sending internal emails to employees, typically when assigning tasks. We'll go through both options one by one. Let's start with the Lead Email Template. Now, enter a title for your email template. This title should reflect the purpose of the email, such as Reminder Email, Confirmation Email, or Introduction Email, so it's easy to identify later. In this example, we'll go with the title Introduction Email. Now, enter the subject line for your email. This is the line that will appear as the subject when the email is sent to the recipient. Since we are creating an introduction email, let's use Welcome to your company name as the subject. Once you enter the subject, click the Add button to save this template information. You will now be directed to the main editor page, where you can design the actual content for your email. So let's go ahead and create an introduction email template. On this page, you will see several elements available that you can use to design your template. You can simply add the element components based on your requirements or the content of your email. You can also add multiple components of the same type if required, like more than one content block, button, or heading. There are plenty of options to choose from, and you can include anything you want to customize your email the way you like. So, let's start by adding the company logo. To do that, I'll choose a logo component from the heading element section. Click on the component you like, and it will appear in the blank field on the right side of your screen. Now, click on the Your Logo placeholder to upload your logo. You will see a screen with three options: Upload Image, URL, and Image Link. To upload from your computer, click Choose File. Select your logo and then click Upload Image. Once the image is uploaded, click on it and then click Select Image. It will now appear in your template. If you have a logo hosted online, you can also paste the direct logo URL and select it from there. Finally, there is an option to add a link to your website. So when someone clicks on your logo, they'll be redirected to your company page. You'll also see a cross button on the left side of the component to delete it, and an edit button on the right side to make any changes. Now, the next thing I want to add is the title of my email. Since this is an introduction email, I'll set the title accordingly. To do that, choose a title component from the heading section. Click on the title text, and a setting screen will open. From here, you can type your title. Choose the font style, font size, and text color according to your preference. You will also see other components under the heading section, like space, borders, and contact details. You can use these as needed to enhance your email layout and design. Now the next element is content. This is where you can add the main body of your email. For example, an introduction about your company or the message you want to share. Just choose any content component you like. After adding it, click to edit the text, add images, and then save your changes. Next is the pricing element. This section lets you show product or service pricing in a clean format. Choose a pricing component that fits your layout. You can also see buttons like Buy Now or Get Now included with some pricing components. Click on the button and a settings screen will open. Here, you can paste your purchase link. So, when a client clicks the button, they'll be redirected to your buying or checkout page directly. Now moving to the button element. This allows you to insert any custom link as a clickable button, like Know More, Contact Us, or any other action. Simply choose a button style, edit the text, and paste the link you want the button to open. After that comes the footer. There is just one footer component, and when you add it, your profile details will automatically appear. This includes your name, photo, email, phone number, and social media links, so you don't have to enter them manually again. Lastly, if you need to add something in between any section, you can just insert the new component. All components are movable, so you can drag and rearrange them to adjust the layout as you like. Once you are done, don't forget to click Save to save your final content. Now go back and you will see your prepared email template listed. From here, you can view, edit, delete, copy or update the category, title or subject of your saved template anytime. Now let's see how the email template works in action. For example, let's say you get a new lead. You want to add their information to the system and also send them the introduction email you just created. Go to the Contact Master, click on Add Contact and fill in the lead's details. To send an email, it's important to add a valid email ID. This is mandatory. After entering the details, scroll down and you will see the email template option. From the drop down, select your prepared email template. Finally, click the Add button to save the contact, and the email will be automatically sent to the customer's email address directly from the system. If you want to send this email to an existing customer, just go back to All Contacts, search, and select the contact. Then go to the follow-up section for that contact. There, you will find the email template option again. Select your template, add the follow-up note if needed, and click Add Follow-up. The email will be sent right away.